You ready,
She's
Boo?
prepared wherever she goes.
Oh yeah. Ready, Boogie?
So what's this thing you're driving right now with Buka here, Shelby?
Hey guys, I'm driving a CFMOTO Z-Force here at the Park to Park radar run in Parry Sound, Ontario. I'm with our local CFMOTO dealer, Russell Road Power Sports, and we were just here checking out the radar run.
That one hooked up.
And we decided to take the Moto Mutt here, Buka, out for her first CFMOTO ride. She's an Adrenaline Junkie dog, and here we are. We're going out for a rip.
So we're ripping the Z-Force 800 from CFMOTO, and it's doing great. Oh wow, look at Buka's tail. She's like, okay, I'm ready. Enough talking. Let's ride. Make sure to wipe your machine down after every ride.
CFMOTO.
So it looks like you didn't drive it.
Like that?
I do.
Good.
I just said I like a CFMOTO and I can't deny it because we got it on video. I was kind of put on the spot there. A lot of people have been asking comments about whether or not we can get a CFMOTO on the trail and see if it actually competes with some of the other machines, and we think it'll do just fine. So we're gonna get Shelby over here, my lovely partner.
Hi, you can see us.
And she's gonna bring a CFMOTO to one of the rides. She's got a Z-Force 800 that she has use of. And we're gonna see how it stacks up against the rest of the fleet, so stay tuned. Right now we're just doing some donuts, but soon hopefully we'll be taking this thing up some climbs and stuff. So stay tuned to the new videos, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.